Good morning, good night. Good morning, good night. Good evening, guys. How are you going? How is it going for Friday? What's up, mate? How Friday? How do you feel? Good day, good morning. Greetings, guys. Greetings. Another good day on the rise. Another good day on the horizon. We're ready to fly. Oh yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Thank you. We are live. And we're getting started. How's your day? How is your time? How is your moment? I haven't requested yet. I want to film, basically. I want to record and make a video about our performance. Eric. First I want to film and then I'm going to request my payout. Yes. I want to film and show our community and show the traders what is possible through hard work and discipline. What is possible through mastering a certain set of strategies and running for your desires. It is achievable, guys, at some point. Things that are awesome could be achievable, right? 15k payout is something great. So first I'd like to record and publish, and then we're requesting. Probably I'm going to record during the weekend whenever we have a little free time. Oh yeah. So here we are, guys. Here we are with the price action. Look at the daily candlesticks. Is this level going to hold us? Is the big question. Look at that. I tell you, that's some heavy price action. Oh yeah. And it's hard to be digested. It's hard to be digested. Look at that one, guys. Good evening, good day, good morning. Happy to have you onboarded. Let's go. We can go ahead and share the presentation in all the community members. Pretty much everywhere as usually. Let's go and do it. Take the link of the video and copy paste it in trading groups. Share this one with your friends. We're live. $250,000 today are the giveaways. $250. Good morning, good day. Good afternoon. We'll be trading our Blusky account, which is about to be funded, guys. Remember, our Blusky account is about to be funded. We only need $140 extra. And we've got a challenge for today. I told you, if we lose this account, now you get $1,000. I'll do $1,000 in cash. If we lose this evaluation and not pass the evaluation, I'll give you $1,000 in cash as a giveaway. We got to do on $40 target, and we have 7,800 drawdown. Happy Friday. Good morning, good day. Oh yeah. Market's acting quite slow. $140. $140. Yeah. I mean, we're gonna go into the 5-minute perspective and see how the daily opening is punishing us today. Wow. We're going to trade our FundedSeat too. Where's my blue sky? Here we go. I will be testing a short here, guys. 10 micros short. 10 micros short. We got to bring this one to 206,000. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're about to hit a target, I guess. Come on, hit that target. Ha ha ha. 184, 206 and 52 bucks, guys. There you go. The challenge is over. Congratulations, we passed an evaluation on Blue Sky. Propel, 200k static. Wow. The first 200k static we're trading. Boom. Oh my gosh. So for those of you that are interested, let me drop you the links. First, you got to create an account. Create an account first. That's the link. And let me tell you a little more about it. So, Blue Sky, a prop firm that's been in line since October 2022. Running smoothly on everything. We're trading the Propel accounts where we have static drawdown. Right, so for Propel accounts, the coupon code for maximum discount is always Scrembo30 unlimited uses. This way, Scrembo30. Now, we're trading the 200k static. This is what we traded and passed. I'm very happy about it. 200k static is an account that has $2,000 static drawdown, which means your drawdown is never following. 2,000 static at a 200k is 198. That's your max loss in your whole evaluation stage, 198 at any point. No matter how much money you're making, it's not trailing. So if you made in your first day $500, then the next day your drawdown is 2,500. Now we're trading basically the next stage, and we'll have to make the target first of buffer, 3,000 bucks, and we have a 2,000 static. I'm gonna start trading this one. Happy Friday, Shirley. Yeah. It's gonna be interesting. Look at that. The account is here, guys. You guys can see how quickly they activated. Look at that. That's insane. Look at the account. They quickly activated. A minute and is active. Look at that. That's crazy. 1 minute. It's good. Thank you so much, guys. Once again, appreciate it. Appreciate it for showing up. Remember, we gotta hit 180 likes to do the giveaways today. So yesterday we qualified for Lucid on 15k payouts, 150,000 Lucid accounts. 4 of those are flexes. You guys want to see how we traded this? The one we passed. This is the way we traded. Here's the net P&L column. By the way, Blue Sky is having Ninja and Tradeovate too. That's the way we traded. So I guess pretty performant. $2,000 each day. And then leading into our 184 today. Let's start trading, guys. The funded version of the account. About to touch the VWAP here, 618. There's a lot of the space for downwards. We have triple very strong rejection on the daily opening. We've not been able to reclaim price action above that. No acceptance above 700. So I am questioning yesterday's low, last week's low, today's low, so close to each other. So close. How is this going to impact the price action of today? There is consistency on building the buffer. The consistency is 34, just like the same in the evaluation stage. But then once you build the buffer, above the buffer, you have no consistency. The environment is changing. 34 means 3 days of 1,000. You guys can do the math. 34% of 3,000. I think it's slightly more than 1,000, right? 1,020, maybe. You guys can do the math. However, the very important part is what happens above the buffer, where the environment is changing. Thank you, Juaz. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, we're continuing with FundedSeat today as well. Having a good time. Oh yeah. But I'm so hungry, guys, so hungry and excited, because if I build the buffer, then above the buffer we have no consistency and daily payouts. Yeah, you can check that, Rundell Paul. You can check out Lucid, the best performing prop, FundedSeat, Blusky, tap on futures. Yes, Bolts, instant funding, Bolt, exactly. 5% target, end of the day drawdown with 5% target. And second cycle is daily payouts and no consistency. It's insane. Instant funding, Bolt from FundedSeat. They are insane. It's a really great combination from FundedSeat. Yeah. And now they have 50% off. Scrembo is the code pretty much. That leads with good luck as well. Looking into the representation, I am going to be concerned at some point the VWAP might not deliver. Right now we're touching it, guys. Daily VWAP. Well, let me see. Is it a daily? Yes, it's a daily. It's not the weekly. Daily VWAP here. Yeah. Yeah, Rundle, drop me a message on my Discord. Update me on my Discord again on a direct message. Paul Trader. You can certainly do that. We got a queue and we're sending giveaways out on queue. But there's a ton happening and it takes time. I would test out along from here, guys, on a fresh account. Yeah, I'm testing a little long on our fresh account. Fresh in a way of passing the evaluation for the Blusky. We have 2,000 static drawdown, so the first day is extremely important to be green, because that increases the drawdown a lot. Yeah, I mean, I'm familiar with entry trade, but not really under my current intention. We have some very, very good alternatives, really good services out there. I'm familiar with a TPT. It is oh, yesterday $25,000 we finished. TPT, I have a financial jurisdiction limitation with TPT, but we're working to fix that. This is what happened yesterday on 23rd, guys. This is the performance on our big belly account for Lucid. This account is ready for payout. $25,000 made yesterday. The day before, 5,000. A day before that, 51 profit, and on Monday we lost $92,000. So we're having here 81 profit, right? So this 3 days are 81,000 profit. $81, $82, yeah, $82. $82, and we lost $92 here. So having 10,000 today means breaking even. Not questionable, we have received payouts from all the ones we're trading today. Exactly, that's the way I started scalping basically, and I can show you the numbers from our starting time. Look at that, June, May. May we only had a single loss, 61 grand in our last day. April, but this is how we started in March. The accounts are active since March, 16th of March. That's when we started. This is the way. You guys can have a clear picture of the way it looks to build up such an account. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Considering it is no consistency on Lucid Flex on the funded stage, you can exactly. Oh, are we losing the daily VWAP here? Because if so, I'm gonna get out. Yeah. $3,000 is per cycle basically on each account, and we're having 5 accounts. That's what we got yesterday too. 5 accounts on Lucid, 150,000, 3,000 on each makes it for a total of 15k. But I wanted to film basically the performance, record a video and publish, have a nice giveaway around it, and inspire people. Not just about the big belly accounts, but also share with you the dashboards of all the other. Right, so we got 2 big belly, and the other 3 are having a great time as well. I don't like this, guys. This price action is, you know, I mean, we're sitting around here a support level, and a little bouncing is in the books that I could use basically to get out of this. I'm also longing on my FundedSeat instant funding bolt from this level. Yeah. Not going too aggressive. Yes, we managed to get that 15k pound on Lucid. Yeah, we managed to secure that. We have not requested yet. What do you mean about the balances? Damn price action, guys, look at that. It is so weak. Thank you. What's the... Oh. The plan for today should be a little bouncing on the 600s here. I got to DC a little bit. Is to work around the bouncings. Short-term trading, guys. You gotta be careful out there. I don't like this, especially we're down 1,000, guys. On our Blusky account, we passed today. Half of our drawdown is gone. I'm waiting for a green candle to get out of this. Unbelievable. Look at that. Unbelievable, guys. Oh my gosh. We smashed through the VWAP. We smashed through the pivot. There's nothing here. Look at that. 1,300. You're not getting anything today. You know, I'm happy to take full 500 bucks. You know, it's oversold when it's downtrending. It's always oversold. That's worthless. Good evening, good day. Yesterday we managed to secure 15k. We haven't requested, as I said, from Lucid. We're looking for filming and recording. Look at that, guys. This is insane. We're getting slaughtered here. Do we get something from the flat opening from that candle? Come on, beautiful. Something from the flat opening. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is so silly. This is so freaking silly. Do something. A new candle opens in you know 15 seconds, guys. We gotta be careful. Liquidity is gonna hit the markets. Yeah, look at that. Everything is getting sold. Let's see. Can we get something right now with this opening? Can we get something so I can get out? You would not believe this. It's so freaking bad. You would not say they're doing this to me, guys. You would not say. Unbelievable. Unbelievable price action. Have to get out here. Right, so I put my stop loss there. Obviously we touch it. Even for this one, I'm gonna put my stop loss. Incredible. Nah. It's not breathing at all. There is no way. Every single Friday is the same script and tape. Every single Friday. It's the same tape. It's unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. I've longed it here a little bit. It is fully off. Since the current presidential things are totally off. Since the current US administration, that's the way it is. A lot of the things are no longer making sense, and the theories that used to work back in the day. Come on. Come on. I don't want to have... You know, it's so hard getting out of this loss and accept a loss at some point. It's so hard. But I will do so. Yeah. Hello, good day, good morning. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. He does not care about anything. Yeah. We're gonna hold this one a little more. But the pain is here, guys. First day we passed this evaluation on Blusky, 200k static. Work hard for 4 days. And having half of your drawdown wiped out in your first trade is nonsense. On a silly Friday. But I'm waiting. This is the account with pain for me. Yeah, I'm gonna... I accepted $230 loss. Accepted that for this Blusky, and I'm gonna accept losses as we go higher. Well, I will not be able to type that. Because I can get the payout from Lucid in a few minutes as soon as I request it, right? Dr. Kulu last time from our community requested and got paid in 2 minutes. Beautiful, beautiful candlestick. The structure is looking great. Hold on. Yeah, I sold it here. Looks like it's getting stuck. There's a problem with the connection. I also sold it here for my FundedSeat. Oh, it didn't exit it. I'm out right now. Wow. It exited lower. 1,182. Time to build it back from here. You guys know how we qualified for our 5th account on Lucid. We had 4,500. $4,500 drawdown, and we lost 4,000. 500 bucks remain. We were during the New York session. We traded minis and recovered. Not only recovered that day 4,000, but we also managed to do more than 2,000 profits. Close to 3,000 actually. Yeah, this is an interesting level I'm bidding. FundedSeat is great. Instant funding, Bolt or Flexes, they're the great options of FundedSeat. 50% off we got right now. Kim, Scrembo coupon code, we got them best. We're trading out here. We have our instant funding Bolt ones. No Forex, never. Never Forex. I don't even know what's nowadays Forex, or I haven't touched those markets at all. Oh, yeah. I mean, I do know what is Forex, yes, but the thing is, I don't have contact with this market at all. In terms of trading, we're not trading. It's bad for this account, guys. It's 1,550. We're about to lose this funded account on Blusky. This is crazy. On this move, we're about to lose it on Friday. You know, things can easily come back to this wick. And then you keep on saying it can come back to this point, and you keep on saying in lending levels where you could expect. But it is so nasty. Look at that. It's so nasty what they did on us. So nasty here. Wow. So freaking nasty. Future is much better. That's quite a deep one, Maddie. No. Look at that. This is how the Fridays are every single week. Every single week. $28,700. Yeah. Every single week, the same tape. Nothing changes. The last time happened the same with Blusky. The first day we got our 150,000 static. We passed the evaluation. The first day we traded, we lost it. I don't know what's wrong with this. So depends what you like. There's Blusky end of the day drawdown. There is static drawdown. Depends which one do you like. Depends which one do you like. Yes, only 3 purchases. Depends which one. my gosh. On 5 minute, this is a great level of bouncing. And the bouncing will need time. So this is a great level for the 5 minute to bounce. You guys can see that. Look at that candle. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. I add a little more to this. Well, end of the day drawdown you can do, or you can do basically static drawdown. I'm doing static drawdown. So here's the options with Blusky. First, you gotta be sign up on the link. Then we have a activation fee or no activation fee. The launch accounts have activation fee. The Propel, no activation fee. Right? These are the two great models. Then from Propel, you have basically a lot of static drawdown, or you have the classic 50,000 with end of the day. For launch, it's only a one-time discount for new users that sign up under our team, 50% off. Only a single time discount, 50% off, but after for the launch, it is full price. The Propel are always discounted. I'm getting out from here, guys, from my Blusky profit secured. I'm getting out of my here as well profit secured. Beautiful, beautiful celebration time, guys. Celebration time for that. Oops. Look at that. Celebration time. Let's kick back the celebration. We're down 900 for this, but I was sweating big time. We're down 1,600 earlier. Boom. In terms of the payouts with Blusky, we just started trading Blusky for 2 weeks. But they've been online since 2022 October, right? So no one had issues with Blusky payouts. There's no problems like that. They got TradeAvade, Ninja, they have Volumetrica, they have all the things you can expect, guys. The XFeed, Quantower, all these things. It's a really, really well positioned prop firm. Boom. I feel relaxed about this. I feel relaxed about this. I feel much better about this. Not worried on the FundedSeat, which is having a lot of drawdown. Here's the link you want to sign up, guys, for the giveaways. Here's the link. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. Remember, in order to do the giveaways, we must hit 180 likes on time. Sign up for the giveaways. We're sharing 250,000. Let me open up my Quantower. We got oh, we're not trading Lucid. We're not trading Lucid today. We might trade Savius today. Yeah, I'm gonna open up Quantower. We're gonna trade Savius. We have not been trading them for a long time. Good job, buddy. Good job. Yeah, with Propel, you have great time on static accounts on Propel. Yeah. But you gotta start off slow, very important, right? Because drawdown is needed. And at the beginning, it's not that much. So static accounts needs to be started slower. For which there is Scrembo 30 basically for the Propel. For the Propel accounts, Scrembo 30. Yeah, we have multiple codes on Blusky. Multiple codes. For Propel, It's Scrembo 30. You're going to get unlimited times 30% off maximum discounts. Savius is based in Italy. A lot of the trading communities are doing Savius. Yeah, I'm going to test out a 300k static as well. They're usually cheaper on the front end and then charge only second month. They say no one is affected by this because the first month is free and you... Oh, good luck, thank you for using it. Good luck on the account. So they say if you reach the second month, then you're very likely receive the payout and it's not an issue. And if you did not reach the second month, then it's very likely you lost the account and then you're not paying anything, even with the new one you're getting. Yeah, a lot of bullish volume here, that's right. Plus, the front end pricing is a little cheaper. I mean, we can trade today the big value accounts. We're not requesting today the payout. We gotta film that recording with our Lucid, so we're gonna trade the big value accounts, which are far away. It's not possible to blow them unless the market does thousands of points against me. So I'm longing basically my big value accounts. Yeah, we're gonna trade Savius too a little later, but now it's time to release some longs on the big value accounts. Oh. Look at that, we're making money there. Yeah, I want to take care about my blue sky. I missed the long on the blue sky. Sure, all the giveaway winners gotta reach out to me. Wow, 3,000 bucks quickly made, guys. Because it's no daily payouts. Orbit is no daily payouts. And it's quite weird on the rules, right? So the one they pass is not gonna make you an advantage for that. It's no daily payouts. Orbit. No, Orbit is not suggested. Thank you. Exactly, Destiny. Exactly. Great rules, comfortable. You don't need to hurry. And then you got daily payouts and no consistency above the buffer. So the environment you're getting above the buffer is really good. Good luck, buddy. Mahdi, Gorbani, good luck, buddy. You can certainly go for it. You can certainly go for it. Take it slowly, buddy. I'm happy for the numbers we have. I think this is going... I think this is having a good chance to climb a little higher. What do you guys think about? What do you guys think about? Yeah. I think this is having a good chance of resuming a form of uptrend, just like the way the downtrend looks. We got in along, guys, for our funded seat. Target is 615, 616. Oh. I don't like that rejection for our funded seat. Yeah. Beautiful. Keep that volume. Lend it. Lend it. Lend it. Choppy out here, but things will resume for an uptrend, I guess. Wow. The 5-minute algo is going to deliver us a little more than what we see. Look at that. The 5-minute algo, guys. Come on. We gotta lend it. Oh, oh, oh. Lovely. Keep it going. I like the strength. I like it. Keep it going, buddy. It's not looking bad. What is my experience with FundedSeat? We got $6,000 basically in a matter of a few hours from 4 different payouts. We made money on FundedSeat 50,000 flex. Their flex accounts, the challenges. Challenge flex, 6 grand payout. Yeah. Lock up your mouse. Oh, there you go. Beautiful. We touch a target. We touch... Wow. That's a nasty retracement, but we touch a target, guys. This is the advantage of having a target. I put a target on my FundedSeat, 900 bucks, and we touch it. We also had a target basically for my Blusky. We made like, what, $100 or something? Yeah, one of my FundedSeat accounts got to touch the daily stop loss, 1,300 on this move downwards. The other one nicely managed to do 912. Market opens in 4 minutes. Which is something I like. Oh. See how important it is to exit. How important it is to exit at the right times. I mean, the big belly accounts are having a good time, not an issue. Not scared about the Blusky situation down 900. Congratulations, AD. Congratulations, buddy. Market opens in 2 minutes. Look at that. Wow, right before the opening. That's what they're doing right before the opening. I haven't touched anything, guys, on the other sides. I haven't touched anything on the other sides. There's 1 more minute to go, guys. You gotta be careful here. We don't have anything open. We're down 821. The objective here is to recover this today as much as we can. We're not gonna hunt something that must be accepted as a temporary loss, and I would say a temporary loss for today. It's never an issue to accept a temporary loss. Which might get your day for the red P&L. Might get your day for that. It's never an issue. 20 seconds to go, guys. 20 seconds to go. And the market opens. Probably they are taking this one down. Just to nicely. Here's the opening bell, guys. I'm longing it. I'm longing it on my blue sky. I got in a long on a blue sky. Risky, indeed. But I'm thinking for the upside. That's why we got in along here. I'm thinking for the upside. Yeah, look at that. Next candle. Next candle should nicely be green, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna add a little more at the starting point. Here we go. Rip it. Ooh. Wow, I like it. Add a little more to this. I like it so far. What do you guys think about the next candle? Rip it. Added more to the next candle. Beautiful, beautiful. Keep it running. Keep it running. We're not gonna exit early. Hopefully we'll not pay the price of that. Not bad being flat, not bad. There she goes. Oh yeah. Keeping it open, keeping it open, keeping it open. Come on. Rip it higher. Yeah, fully. I'm out. There you go. 410 in profit, guys. Oh, that was a nightmare. That was a nightmare. I'm done with this. I'm done with this account, guys. This was a nightmare. We were 1,600 down from 2,000 drawdown in our first day. Passing the account. Celebration time, but this was a nightmare. Oh my gosh. And now we're $400 in profit. I'll take this. I'm not gonna touch this account today anymore. And that's it. I'm not gonna touch this anymore today. Yeah. Look at what's happening with this one with the big belly. Welcome Fridays, welcome. Welcome Fridays. Good job, Kipgoro. Good job, man. Good job. Take a step back. Make a step back with that one. Make a step back. Yeah. All the way back. Huh. What are we up to, guys? It was tough, right? It's a Japanese green tea. Sencha is the type, and there's many brands that are offering. If you like the Japanese type, but also the British gunpowder. Gunpowder. Sencha, yes, yes. Sencha and gunpowder. There's numerous brands that are offering it. So not touching this one anymore on 400s. I'll take that, guys, for the first day. After we passed this 200k, we're down 1,600. That was a nightmare. Let me switch my connections on Quant Tower. We're going with Savius. And leaving the Lucid trade open. The big belly remains open for the long. Yeah, an emotional roller coaster. Look at that price action, guys. You wouldn't say, once you had that 5-minute green impulse, look at that. You had that very strong green candle. You wouldn't say the next one is not coming all the way. All the way. You wouldn't say. Terrible price action, I can tell you. I can assure you of that. This is massively nonsense.
Alright, so let me see where Savius. Here we go, guys, with Savius. We're having 3 accounts of 150,000. Instant funded, of course. Ooh. We have a daily loss limit here that I have to set up because the daily loss limit they have is a hard breach. You lose the account if you touch their daily loss at 2,000. So I don't want to lose more than 1,500. We have an interesting level here that I'm thinking markets could give me a reaction. So I loaded up. We're copy trading on 3 accounts. And we're going to have our stop loss here. It cannot be lower than that. Cannot be lower than that. Ultimate level 465, today's low. Do we get something here? I'm out. I'm out. Accepted 818 and I'm gonna buy this lower. Yeah, we managed to break below today's low. I gotta wait a little bit, guys. I'm testing out my long here. 2 contracts. Yeah. That's kind of the maximum we could lose. Come on. A few more points here. Beautiful. I'm out here. Great. So we are down $66, right? That's great. We recovered the loss, guys. Celebration time. We nicely recovered the loss on this movement. That's all you can do with the longs. That's all you can do. Little scalpings. Little scalpings. This is the way it looks. You have some highly meaningful levels sitting right below you. And that's not easy not to touch them. Well, recovery time maybe from yesterday's low or last week's low. I mean, anything down to 408 from here can be a beautiful pivot point of reaction, guys. Anything. So you have a space here of 70, 80 points. Yeah. We're looking good. Let's scalp it. Let's scalp it for a reaction. If we get that reaction, I'll take it. Otherwise, I'm gonna get out. Maybe not force the growth of the account before taking your first payouts. Maybe take your first payout, and then later, once you have a few payouts, you can consider growing some accounts. Reaction is missing, yet we're only trading a single contract. I like it. I'm adding to the new candle. There you go, we're long. We're long, we have doubled up, we have DCA'd. Target is 502. Waiting for that green candle. 2 minis long. That's the maximum loss, 422. I don't even want to hear about it. This has to be a much better candle. Yeah. Congratulations, Parvin. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. Secure that payout. Come on, guys. We don't have any impulse here. I have to get out. I'll have to get out. Yeah, I'm out of this. Accepted 469 loss. It is not looking good for 2 minis. It is not looking good. And I'm not willing to force it when it's not looking good. Yes, Formula is here. Plus in Discord. For those of you that are fresh, feel free to join our Discord community too, guys. If you want to be part of the giveaways. This is an interesting reaction. This is what I needed earlier. This is what I needed earlier. This is exactly what I was hunting earlier. This candlestick. Welcome to Friday. Wow. Wow, look at that. Welcome to Friday, guys. Damn. This is the time I am testing out along. This is the time. There's a lot of confidence here. Oh, oh, oh. Wow. We have a ton of confidence here, guys. A ton of it. And I'm doing a single contract. No, it's Friday. It's Friday. No matter how bearish it looks. They're going to reverse this from the most bearish level existent. This is kind of the maximum I could allow for this, down to 354. We gotta set our stop loss there. Thank you so much, by the way, guys. Keep in mind, we must hit 180 likes, and we got 30 minutes to go. Oh, Badger. Sorry to hear that. Lost a funded account, Badger. That last dump is the job of Fridays. Look at that. About to touch my daily stop loss here. We have a lot of drawdown, whereas the max loss is 143. $12VC is missing big time. He's missing big time. But this is insane, guys. Insane here. Yeah. Yeah. So stop loss hit. We haven't lost the account, not an issue. We still have $2,000 margin. But that was deeper than I expected. Deeper. Look at that. Way, way deeper than I expected. I was looking for something around this pivot. We had a conjunction of pivots. Yeah. Disconnecting from my... But we haven't touched this blue sky. Wow, since that green candle getting stuck on 500s. We're getting attacked. The Lucid is getting... Wow. Slaughtered. We're heavily getting attacked on our Lucid. Wow. The Propel? Yes, 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 that's the one. It has been oversold for the past 40 minutes, continuously oversold. With zero reaction, so forget about overbought, oversold. When there is a strong momentum, the overbought, oversold is totally lack of efficiency, buddy. Totally. Trying to refresh Quantar because I can't see my Lucid orders for some reason on the charts. I can see the Lucid P&L, but I can't see the orders on the charts. We still have this FundedSeat to be traded today. Yeah, I got in along here for my FundedSeat. Five micros, 10 micros. Let's go for the 1,000 bucks with 10 micros. We actually need quite some points, right? Oh. This is unbelievable, guys, the way this whole thing moves. This is no longer nonsense. This is ridiculous. I added here. I added there. Alright, so we found our... Or Lucid trade. Look at that. We're 47 down on the Lucid. 47. 45 on the Big Belly. And this one, yeah, we touched the target here. So with 10 micros, we made 1,000 on this pump. Beautiful. Let's celebrate this, guys. Let's celebrate this one. We're taking the payout from the big belly too. Not an issue. Not an issue at all. 43. I'm gonna leave this one open for the moment. I would not be surprised to touch the 500s again. Come on. Well, on Fridays, the time frame no longer matters. We have 20 minutes to go and we are 45 likes away. Remember. Keep it going. Keep it going. We're hungry, basically. This was down. This was down 56,000. And now it's 41. Yeah. Looks like it needs time. Looks like it needs time for the recovery process to kick place. Yeah. Hello, buddy. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Hi, I'm G. Hi, it was a great week. It is a great week. We qualified yesterday for $15,000 max payout on Lucid. I want to film a video on the weekend. These are the big belly accounts, so we can trade them today without issues. The payout is not going to be affected. This is a good level. This is a good level that you're watching. There it goes. For a possible confirmed bottom. If you come back to this level for another time, I bet they react. I bet they react on it. You guys want to see the hourly? It has a lot of the things to say. Let me show you. The hourly. This one. The way you undercut this level, and that hourly candle, we had a massive wick, building a range, smashing it, undercutting on a Friday, a classic tape, but that is a deep one. And you've been here, guys, for all the Fridays, and you know we have been facing selling pressure domination in a absurd way on Fridays. Continuing the same pattern is just nuts. Yeah, on a short term, this is not looking bad for my trade. On a swing high, I can get out and then reorganize for a better entry and all that stuff. You know the way we're trading the big belly accounts. Yet I'm extremely happy. Yesterday we secured a 15K in terms of possibility. And very happy today we protected our Blusky account, that we just passed the evaluation. We are so close losing in our first day, and that would have been a bitter taste. Wow. Made 400. So Monday we're gonna trade. $2,400 drawdown. We have a 2,600 target here for the next days. We're 2,400. Exactly. 15K. It's good money, right? It's basically, for Europeans, what's the average salary in Europe? Average salary in Europe depends on the country. Certainly depends on the... But we're talking about the averages of countries. Europe, not United States, Europe. Slowly recovering, guys. Maybe 30, 35,000 a year, maybe. In the West. Congratulations, Randy. Good job. Good job, markets. Keep them coming. So we have 10 minutes to go for the giveaways. If we touch the needed likes. If we touch our target, let's find out how many. We still need 37, guys. 37 in 10 minutes. Otherwise, nope. We're not going to do 250K. We're going to do a lot less. Yes. I'm still holding. I like the fact that the selling pressure was not reacting heavily on the 440s. Yeah, it is. I got used to drinking green teas for many, many years already. Have a look at the reaction, guys, we're having out here for the hourly. Yeah, look at that, guys. The green candle appears. The momentum is still here. If it's ready to explode, I am ready. I'm also ready to accept the outcome. I'll take the outcome. I'll surely take the outcome. Feel free to explode, in other words. Feel free. You shouldn't be surprised to see the price action above 500 today. Daily we were up 545, weekly opening 300, daily opening 300 points, weekly 347, 747 on the weekly. That's a big one. Getting stuck at 420s, that's right. But I think whatever movement downwards from here is going to be heavily bought up. I think we're going to receive buying pressure from here. I am not afraid of levels below the 300. I think if you generate a wick there, that could be probably the most. If it comes back to that level, maybe we're not touching these things anymore today. Yeah. You know it needs time for the recovery, obviously. Look at that candle. Looking good. Looking good, candle. 420s again. Ha ha ha. 5 minutes to go for the giveaways. 5 minutes. Beautiful. We're looking like a continuation, laddering up, guys. Laddering up. $150. Looks like we're not going to touch our target today. Looks like we're not touching the target today. 700 viewers we had totally since we started a stream. Totally. Expected a higher move, at least into 500s, before I would consider to partially exit and then, you know, re-DCA and all that stuff, right? So to handle the trade at least to this point. 4 minutes to go, guys. 4 minutes to go. 20 more. Needed 20 more. Look at that. This is all places with acceptance of the buying pressure getting triggered. Yeah. Oh. That was a big one. Hmm. 50 points in this candle. Wow. Look at us charting. What are they up to? 2 minutes to go for the giveaways. 2 minutes, guys. Come on. Increase the momentum. Tough day for the big belly accounts, indeed. But it was good that we passed a Blusky 200k static. And we made 400 bucks on that after being close to max loss in the first trading day. Plus, it's overall a very good week because we qualify for the max payout on Lucid. And we can take that payout, basically. And we'll take that payout. I just want to film. I just want to record the whole thing. The whole procedure in terms of all the 5 accounts performance and trading. For the Lucid Pro, we actually got to the payout in 3 days. Right, so Lucid Pro, FundedSeat, you can request your payout in 3 days, which is really comfortable. Yeah. The drawdown email. Last minute, guys. Attention, please. Last minute to go. 173 likes. Last minute to go for 180. When the candle closes, this one you're watching, when the candle closes, the time is over. This one. This is the 1 minute candle. When it closes, it's over. A few more seconds. Let's see if we can do our target. And here you go. The candle just closed and we're 175, 176. We are short with a few likes. Unfortunately, the target has not been hit, guys. The target has not been hit on time. A few we're missing. Good. So that means we're changing the price. It's not going to be 250,000. We haven't touched the target. It's going to be 50,000. $200,000 in accounts and giveaways is dropped. Chat is sleeping, especially all the ones that have been on the stream till this point. 50,000 will be today's giveaway. 50k. $50k. Yeah, $50k. because we haven't touched the target. So we were on the stream so far 750 out of 750 totally since we started. If we couldn't touch the target of 180 from 750, good. We're gonna do 2 giveaways, each 25,000. I'm still leaving this one open. We just undercut and reversed. Very interesting, I would say. I enjoy that. Give me a moment, guys, to prepare everything. Good. So what do we need? We need the ducks, we need the whale, and we need formula. Yeah. Here we are, guys. Listen up. First giveaway. First giveaway is going to be a $25,000 FundedSeat Flex account. We're going to do 2 giveaways, each of $25,000. Yes, let me know. 25K FundedSeat Flex. For the first one, the way you participate is quite simple. You gotta fill up the form. That's the form link right there, chat. Be subscribed, join our Discord, all these things as usually. You know them perfectly. Let me know. The prop firm you can pass the evaluation in 1 day is Lucid Pro accounts. Lucid Pro accounts, you can pass the evaluation in 1 day. So you can have unlimited evaluations and maximum 5 funded. If there is more evaluations that you haven't it's passed, you can keep them on paused. Yes. The prop firm you can pass in 1 day is the Lucid Pro, buddy. Lucid Pro. Alright guys, so get ready with the numbers. Get ready with the numbers. Watch out. 00, 11, 22. Start right there. Let me know your best numbers. Start right there. I will answer the questions. I'll answer the questions very soon, guys. Very, very soon. After we finish the giveaways, I'll get back to you. This first giveaway is $25,000 FundedSeat. I was getting ready today with 250 grand for you guys, but it looks like it was not the best day hitting our target of likes. We were short by a few. So we only do 50k of 250. Unfortunately. Bunch of accounts missed. Market's sitting around the rejection of 420, nah, a little higher, 430s, 420, yeah, 2030, the same levels, is getting stuck there. You want to stop right there, guys. No more guesses, it's over. No more, it's over. So, yeah. You have to fill out once every stream. Every stream. We have a new link for every single stream. So with each new link, you have to fill it up. Today, Monday, Tuesday, daily. That's not going to be number one. It could be that red number 2. Each day, new link. Once per day, exactly. Could be that number 2, guys, if the paddle works to break here, or we go to 0. What do you guys wish? You want to go to 0? I can take you to 0 if you want. I can take you to 1, guys. Alright, I'll take you to 0. I'll take you... Oh, look at that. This is a bug. This is a bug, guys. The arrow is yellow, but the winner is number 2. This is a bug. The arrow is yellow, which means it's on the yellow, it's on the 0. Look at that. But the winner is number 2. What is this? This is a bug, guys. Look at that. The arrow is yellow. The number is 2. Wow. Unbelievable. It's going to sit on number 2, guys. I can't do much about it. It's number 2, guys. It's number 2. We'll have to take number 2. We got to accept that. That's what it says. The winner is number 2. Probably someone hacked me. The paddle. You guys will do 32 seconds. The first rank is going with the giveaway account. The first rank. Totally rigged, guys. This is such a thing. Jake is not here. There's a lot of people that are missing, and summer holidays for a lot of people. Summer holidays. We're short in the stream with 40-50 people on average. Who's gonna speed up? Adam. Adam, you're leading. Oh, look at it. Mr. Red. Red up. You got this, Mr. Red. Look at that one. Congratulations. Mr. Red, you got this one. Here we are, guys. Congratulations for the winner. Did you fill up the form? We're gonna find it out. It's not here. Wow. He's not here, Mr. Red. Red is not here. Look at that one, guys. So, time trade. Is your lucky day? Yes, it is. Congratulations. Congratulations, time trade. Congratulations. Time trade, you got this. $25,000 FundedSeat. Continuing with the next one. Continuing with the next one. Wow, what a 1 minute candle we got, guys. 60 points down again. This is going to be a $25,000 tap on futures. Instant funded. End of the day drawdown. I'll repeat that. $25,000 tap on futures, instant funded, end of the day drawdown. A really valuable account. Last giveaway. 00, 11, 22. And a single 7. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. 00, 11, 22, single 7. Let's go for it. Nah. Markets want to sit down here. Alright, so stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. Shuffle, and we're good to go. It's not going to be number 2 club. It's going to be 0. Congratulations for winners. That's a 0, guys. It's a fully confirmed 0. As simple as like that. I can even tell you it's going to be on the yellow. Yeah. Yellow. Yellow 0. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. I'm short this time. I am sure at this time. Congratulations. We've got you. 2 in a row. Congratulations. Time for the duck race. 78. 30 seconds competition time. The best ranked is going to take this. Hopefully Monday we qualify for the entire title and prizes of the giveaway. Best ranked is going to dominate. Take this end of the day instant funded. Tap on futures account. Oh, look at that. A duck with 75. Richard's Anna. Oh, there you go, Richard's Anna. Congratulations. Congratulations. Did you fill up the form? Oh yeah. Richard's Anna. Congratulations. You got this one. This is a really valuable account. But what is the problem here is the nasty Nasdaq doing dirty things, guys. So once again, it was a really good week. For someone asked me earlier about the about the Lucid Pro account with a target. Here's the link to my last video explaining with the Lucid Pro payout rules. Last video with the Lucid Pro versus Lucid Flex. And then you look at the Lucid Pro part of the video. I posted the link in the chat, guys. So that's the place you find out more about the Lucid conditions. Keep in mind, Lucid is 1 day pass. The Pro. Have a great weekend, guys. Thank you once again. It was a tremendous week. We're filming a video, and you guys will have the ability to see that. We're going to record this milestone that we achieved with the 15 grand. Have a great and a lovely weekend, guys. Thank you once again. We keep in touch in Discord. all the peace and safety. See you Monday, guys. Thank you once again.